JP Park. ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ಅದು ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಮ್ಮದು ಭಾವನ? ಇದು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ. ಪ್ರತು Karanji. Now it is renovation. One minute. ಹೋಗು ನೀನು ಹೋಗು ನೀನು ಹೋಗು. ನೋಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಹೇ ಡಾಗಿ. ಏಯ್ ಮಹಾರಾಣಿ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. What? Tumbit. Look at me, Prato. Look at me. Ilintka. हाँ super ini kan. Nadi. Very beautiful sofa. Right. Ikut kalau tegitin. Right. Nari. Look at me. ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Hi, this is the JP Park in Matikere. Matikere zipline. Yes. Look at me. Show me. Which side? Which side? This side. Okay. Where are you from? You are from? You are coming from? Where? Where? You are from Pratap? Mr. Pratham Sai, tell me where you are. Bangalore. Hi, Yurani Lakshmi Devi, tell me. This is JP Park. Hi, I am Manjunath. YouTube, Kannada 316 LP channel. And jellyfish and only there. Where? Here, and that side. How many are there? This is a rock garden. This is a rock garden. Where it is?
This is a rock garden.
Address? JP Nagra. Sorry, JP Park.
Raja Rani Debe. Yes. Look that water.
Sitting
That
on.
water where light can come and jump into the water. Jump and jump.
Only jump.
Yes. This way.
Okay, what is the time?
Statue